Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Audi myAudi for charging and route planning step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Audi myAudi website. In the top right corner, find the login button. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the designated area. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. You should now be on the myAudi dashboard. Locate the charging section, typically found in the main menu. Click on Charging to view available charging stations. To plan a route, navigate to the Route Planning section. Input your starting location and destination in the provided fields. Select your preferred route options if applicable. Review the charging stations along your route. Confirm your route and charging stops. You are now ready to use Audi myAudi for charging and route planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.